Hi students, let's discuss the last topic of acid basis salt, that is concerned with the salts only. So, usually when we discuss about salts, we think of domestic salts which are being utilized in making vegetables. But salts are of different types. What are the types? Let us discuss. The first one is neutral salt. Neutral salt. Remember, when strong acid react with strong base, it forms neutral salt. It forms neutral salt. This is the first type. Let's have the examples also. Strong acid, let's call it, we have HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid, and let's take a strong base, that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide, right? Together they will form a neutral salt, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, remember that this is the neutral salt. Because it is neutral, that is why we are using in making of vegetables or food material. Otherwise, we should not have used if its nature is not neutral. So, along with water. So, very much clear, the first is neutral salt. The salt which is prepared by reaction of strong acid and strong base. Okay? The second one, let's talk about acidic salt. Acidic salt. So, salts also can be acidic in nature. Now, acidic salt means salt which is prepared by strong acid reacting with the weak base. Reacting with weak base. It always will give acidic salt. Acidic salt. Okay. Now, let's take an example of it. Again, we will have hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. Base, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. It is a very weak base. So strong acid and weak base together will give. Let's remove this so that it should be balanced. Ammonium chloride salt. This is ammonium chloride salt, which is acidic salt plus water. So this is the second example of a type of a salt, acidic salt. Let's take the third example. If there is acidic salt, there has to be a basic salt also. Basic salt. What is a basic salt? A salt which is prepared by strong base reacting with the weak acid. Reacting with the weak acid, it is always gonna give you the basic salt. Basic salt. Remember that. This is the third type. And although there can be an experiment, if I say you sodium carbonate is the basic salt, how to prepare sodium carbonate? Let's take strong base, 2 NaOH, 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide, and add carbonic acid into it. This is carbonic acid. Now if you are adding, they will react to form sodium carbonate salt. This is a basic salt. Sodium carbonate salt plus water. So sodium carbonate is a basic salt. Remember that. So these are three types of the salts. Remember their names and the chemical reactions which are involved. This is the last topic. Here we are actually completing acid basis salt. There are many MCQs which already been given into the channel. This is the YouTube channel in which already acid basis salts, metal, non-metals, physics, all MCQs are there. You can try these MCQs also and can go through the subjectively also. I hope it helps you a lot. If it is helping, do subscribe. Bye-bye.